Hi everyone, good afternoon. Today is October 1st and start na ang Holy Rosary. And time check here in the Philippines is 5 p.m. Guys, I'm going to go in our chapel to pray the Holy Rosary with Team Warriors. And our neighbors are invited to join. Okay guys, see you there. Bye! Okay guys, nandito ako sa aming chapel. At yan ang aming chapel. Paakyat pa, may hagdanan. At kakaunti pang tao. Magdadatingan pa magdadasal. Okay guys? Pakita ko sa inyo ang altar namin ng aming chapel. Oh, nangunguna. Creator of heaven and earth, I believe in Jesus Christ, Son of God, who was conceived by the power of the Holy Spirit, and born of the Virgin Mary. He suffered under Pontius Pilate, was crucified, died, and was buried. He descended into the dead, and the third day rose again. He ascended into heaven, and is seated at the right hand of the Father. He will come again to judge the living and the dead. I believe in the Holy Spirit, the Holy Catholic Church, for the communion of Okay guys, tapos na po ang dasal namin at kami ay may kaunting salo-salo. Eto guys ang aming food. Salamat po si Cabioli Paras. Ayan po si Cabioli ang white hair.